What's up, everybody? It's Vince for the hashtag Very Cool Guys. And we do a lot of talking on the channel about tools that we use and how we use them. A lot of times, the tools we use in tests are fairly worn. We put them through their paces, and a lot of times, as a contractor, they've earned us lots of money. And one of the things I want to talk about today is the table saw solution that I've owned for at least 8 years now, and why I love it so much.
You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah. You know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah.
This table saw, the DW744, might not be available to you. Your mileage may vary, but a very comparable saw, the D745, is available. And you can also get the stand that we have. It's the DW70044 ORS. Is that right? Let me check. The DW744 ORS is available. And I really believe that this table saw and stand is a winning combination, especially for a DIYer, okay, or someone that goes to and from their job sites by themselves. Why is that? Because this saw, when coupled with this stand, can roll, number one. It has this handle that will extend. If you look here on the back side, it has this arm that sticks out that keeps the saw from toppling over. Now, if you're rough with the saw, your mileage may vary, it could go over. I'm gonna tell you, the arm here also doubles as a nice cord reel. You'll wrap your cord around it, and it makes this saw very, very portable. You don't necessarily need to be picking this up and lugging it all over the job site constantly. You're able to roll it into place. Once you're in the area of where you would want to work, all you do is lift it up, put your legs out, stand it up, and you're pretty much ready to go to work. Let's give a little overview of the saw and why I like it so much. And you can see this saw, it's got some miles on it. It's made us a ton of money. It's as reliable now as the day I purchased it. So it's as simple as raising your blade, installing your guard, and pretty much you're ready to go to work. Another good feature with this saw is the rack and pinion fence. And you have a gauge here that will show you your dimensions, so you can quickly and easily make the rips and cuts that you need. Rolls back and forth, get to your desired dimension, and lock the rack and pinion fence in place. It's not going to move if you're ripping heavy or bulky materials, in my opinion. One other feature that I really like as a guy that has done a lot of work on his own is that, and I will flip this around for you to see. The dust port here accepts pretty much a standard vac hose from, let's say, a rigid shop vac. If you want to know what we think about the rigid shop vac, we'll link the video here. But this creates, especially if you're working in a fixed area, okay, with a little bit of draping, this creates a good dust solution so you don't have sawdust all over the client's house. I had mentioned earlier that the 2 wrenches that are required for blade changes are thoughtfully included on the side of the tool, stored away until you actually need them. And if you wanted to know how to change the blade on your Dewalt table saw, we'll link that video here. Check it out. It's fairly simple and quick. If you go from cutting rough lumber or dimensional lumber into ripping trim, you're covered. Change your blade out. Quick and easy. We show you how to do it. So I hope you like that brief overview of what we use for a table saw solution. You know, we go from job to job, mall to mall, do a lot of commercial retail work. We're in and out of spaces. This saw even has nice rubber wheels, non-mooring wheels. And the malls appreciate that when you're rolling through their terracotta, travertine, or terrazzo floors. So give it a good look. It served us well for about 8 years now. Can't say enough good things about it. If you like this video and you like the idea of getting real tool reviews from guys that really use their tools and use them for a long time and can tell you, yo, I've used this. This will last you. It does a good job. I've used it. I've abused it. It's still gonna make you money. It's still gonna run. If you like that, smash that like button. If you like our content, like our channel, and like our style, get subscribed. Also, make sure you're smashing and cracking that bell notification icon because we go live constantly and we're always doing giveaways. Smash that bell like you're cracking the Liberty Bell. You know, we are from Philadelphia. But as always, thanks a lot. Yo, if you have any questions about our table saw, or if you own this table saw, or if you own the DW745, you like it, you don't like it, let us know down in the comments section. Is there a different table saw that you like, or a different stand? Let us know down in the comments. But as always, thanks a lot, and have a great day. I gotta tell you, this blade's a little beat. I better use those wrenches and change this thing out. Yo, I might need to go watch that video though. Where's it linked again? Oh yeah, it's right here. See you, everybody. This isn't a real table saw. This is a prop. It was sent to us from Dewalt. There's no motor in there or anything, in case you were wondering. They kind of beat it up. It's just like a backdrop.
Like a rustic look?
Yeah. See? It doesn't work. It doesn't work if you don't plug it in, people. Just kidding. There's a lot of miles on this saw. Made us a lot of money. Dependable. That's what I like. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.